Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. This company reached out to me and asked if I wanted to check out their A-11 Tom Rice, and of course I agreed. I asked for the 38 millimeter. I think they also offer this in 42. I have a 6.5 inch wrist, so I went with a smaller size. I think it'll work well on my wrist. Not really sure what dial color this is, so we'll find that out together here. Here's the SKU number, P38-MB-MRSG. So yes, assembled in the USA with imported parts, and this does have an automatic movement. They also offer a watch with a quartz movement. So let's slide this cover off here. There we go. So this is inspired or designed after a World War II US watch. So it's cool that it's assembled in the USA. Looks like I'm doing it upside down here. Here we go. Praesidus, I guess. I don't know. Yes, very cool. So they have this canvas strap. They also have a leather strap. I'll leave a link in the description to their website. Go check them out. There's that SKU number again. I believe this one is $2.99. I think. I don't remember at the moment. But like I said, I'll put a link in the description to this watch. Actually, to their website. So I believe this also does have a sapphire crystal. Could be wrong on that. Let's see, it says, oh, you know what, let's take the plastic off and read it a little bit easier, and I'll zoom in so you can see what I'm reading as well. So nice simple cardboard box, nothing wrong with that. There's some more information here, warranty card. Silicone packet, instruction manual. So nice packaging. Oops, lost that case back sticker somewhere. Take off the hang tag. All right, let's zoom in, check out the back. So there we go, Praesidus type A-11. And it says, assembled in the USA with imported parts, automatic movement. I do believe this has a Seiko NH35 movement. So let's see if it has a ghost tape position. So it does not have a screw down crown, push pull. I am winding it right now. Looks like it actually has a no date Seiko movement. Nope, I was mistaken. I just pulled all the way out. So I'm going to say it has a Seiko NH35 or 36 movement. I can feel the date change there. Yeah, nothing that way. So it's probably the NH35, the Seiko NH35 with the date. Alright, let's get on wrist. So we do have a quick release straps here in drilled lug, so it looks very good. It definitely looks the part. Looks like a bead plastic case and bezel. Case back is brushed, and then that crown is polished. So it looks very good. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really does help me out here. Looks like, well, I'm on the tightest hole position and the strap's a little bit loose. So if you have a wrist smaller than 6.5, you might want to put it on a different strap. It's not too bad. It's not too loose. Oops, what did I do? All right, there we go. So yeah, it's a cool looking watch. But like I said, the strap's a little bit too big. For my wrist, 6.5 inch, 52 millimeter wristband. Top of the lugs are polished as well. So let me know what you think of this watch in the comment section. I think it would compare nicely to my Hamilton Murph 38. Wherever I put that thing. Well, I'll find it and we'll do a follow-up video with that. Alright, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.